ProcurityIQ is a decision support platform for acquisition professionals across local, state, and federal agencies. After a solicitation closes, it helps contracting officers verify vendor compliance and analyze proposals to support award decisions. When users log in, they land on the dashboard. It gives them a quick operational view of their acquisitions. Workflow Favorites shows the workflows they track most often. Workflow Queues shows how many solicitations are in each stage of evaluation. And the tabular view lets users customize columns to track the status of their solicitations. Each acquisition moves through these workflow stages. For example, in the solicitation preparation stage, the system ingests the solicitation and supporting documents and identifies the evaluation criteria defined by the agency. Once proposals arrive, we move to vendor evaluation. Here, the system ingests vendor proposals and attachments, performs adequacy checks, and organizes the information needed for evaluation teams. A very useful feature is the evaluation heat map. At the top level, the system shows the relative ranking of each vendor based on the evaluation criteria. If I click on a specific vendor, the system breaks down the evaluation criteria and its scores. And if I select an individual score, the system reveals the observations and rationales that support that particular assessment. Based on this analysis, ProcurityIQ generates a determinations and finding report, and this report includes a bid summary, evaluation criteria review, proposal analysis and vendor comparisons, and an award recommendation. Lastly, our chatbot, CanIQ, can be used as a regulatory and solicitation assistant. Users can ask questions about acquisition regulations or about specific solicitations being evaluated. Our goal is simple: help acquisition professionals make faster, defensible, well documented procurement decisions.